Hello my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today we are going to be planning in my dashboard layout, which is my social media planner. We are planning for the week of May 23rd through the 29th, and this planner is called Modern Year. I am, as always, covering up the left side with a page I created. So let's go ahead and do that. And we can start decorating. Perfect. So this is not perfect, but I'm gonna cover up the edges with stickers so I'm not worried. And it really allows me to plan what is going on in my social media. So it kind of keeps me on track and I really like it. I want something bright and light at the same time, so I am going to be using stickers from Hello Spring from the Live Love Posh book. She has this really beautiful stickers with like bee clusters and honey clusters, or hexagons I should say, but they remind me of honeycomb, and some fun things. So that's what I'm gonna do. First and foremost, I'm putting down this beautiful pastel rainbow. It is gorgeous, and I'm gonna go ahead and start working on those. And of course I'm adding all the hexagons because look how beautiful. I mean, just with those two things it's already looking so great. Thank you so much for joining me. If this is your first time in my channel, welcome. I hope you like it here. If you do, don't forget to subscribe. And if you have been here before, thank you so much for choosing again to spend some time with me. I really appreciate that, and I'm really excited that you're here. Okay, so another rainbow. This one's a little bit different. It has like pearls on it or something, but it is gorgeous. So that's kind of what I'm doing with this. Let's see, more elements. I don't think I'm going to be using any other book outside of this one today. I think I'm going to keep it pretty simple and light, and I'm going to have fun adding these elements in here. Look at these Polaroids, so cute, right? Okay, let's add those. And yeah, I fixed it. Yay! I hate when I lay down a sticker and it has a crease and then I don't know if I can fix it or if it's going to rip. That always terrifies me for some reason. Okay, here we go. Couple more things. Adding flowers now. And one more thing of these beautiful beautiful hexagons, and let's add that big cluster to the top. And time for flowers, which is my favorite part. I'm gonna add a few more elements and fill everything up with flowers, like I said. So let's add a couple butterflies here and there. I think that's great. More Polaroids. Tiny little butterfly. I'm gonna add that one right there. I think that'll be great. Another bee. Okay, all the bees are in. Be happy. How cute is that saying? And then I'm gonna take all of these leaves and kind of fill in where I need some greenery. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay. And finally, now it's time for flowers, like I promised. I can't get enough of them, so let's go for it. So I'm gonna, what I do usually, I will cut them and make sure that they can kind of fit in my planner like so, and then I can use the other parts for other things. I really love these floral images, so I mean, I'm gonna fill this up, you guys will see. But that's kind of where I am, and that's how it goes. So I'm gonna add more. I'm gonna add like another, maybe a yellow. Let's see, maybe an orange. Let's add a full orange here to bring in those orange hexagons. I think that really balances out. I'm gonna cut that excess off and continue, because this is sticking my whole page down and I can't move it, which is inconvenient. So now we can continue with the flowers. So I'm gonna add like a little border on the top. So I'm gonna cut a few of them and we'll go from there. Let's see. Yep, that looks good. Then we do pink. Then we do another yellow. And one more pink. Beautiful. Yeah, that worked out. I'm gonna add a few more, kind of to fill up the spaces. So I'm gonna add a yellow and some pinks. The orange can be overpowering, so that's why I'm not adding that many orange elements. I like balancing it out, but I don't want it to be overwhelmed. So that's where this is coming from. And then I'm gonna add pink flower in that empty space, and I think that's it, and I'm done with the spread. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's quite different, and I will see you very soon for another plan with me. Thanks for watching. Bye.